Hello my friends, today I'm gonna explain big number explanation part 3. So I'm gonna talk about before the small number. Yep, the smallest number is actually 1, you think, but no, there is more. So I will explain them. And also you see one on big number explanation 1 and 2. So this one is explanation 3. Don't shoot me, okay? So anyways, let's explain. So before 1 there were 0.9. 0.9 is smaller than 1. But if you multiply by 10, you will get 9. How serious is that? Right? So, and 0.5 is called a half, and 0.25 equals to a quarter. Oh, and 0.01 is the hundredth, which means the hundred will turn into a number if it multiplied by 100. So like if you want to try 0.05 times 100, you will get 5. How cool is that? It's okay. And so let's go beyond that thing. So I will talk about 0.001, 0.0001, 0.00001, 0.00001, and it's further down. So 6 zeros with 1, 7 zeros, 8 zeros, 9 zeros, 10 zeros, 11 zeros, negative 12, negative 13, negative 14, negative 15, negative 16, negative 17, negative 18, negative 19, negative 20, negative 21, negative 22, negative 23, all the way to negative 100 zeros. So negative 100 zeros, you know that's the Google. Google is the smallest number that I was imagined, but that's wrong. I didn't imagine that. So continuing, you will saw 0, negative 0, negative 1,000 zeros, negative 10,000, negative 100, negative 1 million, negative 1 billion, negative 1 trillion zeros. And there's so much more numbers that's before number 1. Okay, then 0.0000000 all the way to negative 1 quadrillion is too much. So as you can, if you imagine that, if you go to negative 1 centillion, it's unknown. But you can go further down. But that's not the end of the explanation yet, because I'm trying to make it 10 minutes. So I hope you see the entire video. So okay, let's continue. Then 0.000 all the way from 1 million is very big. So if it's big, it's small. So let's say that 10 divided by 10 is 1, and 10 divided by 100 is actually 0.1. And also 0 dividing from 1 from the respective big number, you will go backwards, and there's no point to go to 0. But what is 0 anyways? And if you dig all the way to 0, that's the smallest number you ever imagine. And you wonder if 0, and in number blocks on that version, they will go white and whiter until it was invisible to see. And that's not all. I will continue down, digging down right, and we will solve negative Boogle zeros. Oh, and Boogle is not from explanation 2, but I still talk to this video instead. So if you dig down, you will reach negative infinity zeros. And did you think that's so big? Well, infinity isn't big, right? But absolute infinity is the biggest. But if you try to negative to zeros with it, it will be and also, and if you want to divide by infinity, ask your parent to do that. So 1 divided by infinity is 0. 10 powered by negative infinity. And if you divide by 1, which means it's 1. And if you divide it starting by 5, you will get 5 on the total. So if you reach 0.110, they will change 0.1. No seriously things. But you can still add it too. So let's math. Okay, and see you next video for big number explanation 4.